Hi guys, welcome back to Design Maven. I'm Adrian Heng, and today we will look at the kitchen design trends and find the ones that's suitable for your lifestyle. Kitchen is the heart of the home where delicious meals are prepared and a place for communion to some. It is thus important to design the type of kitchen that is suitable for your needs. First, you have to ask yourself, how often do you cook? Are you prone to heavy greasy cooking or do you bake frequently? Most of us want an open concept island dining, but is it practical for your lifestyle? Today, we shall explore some timeless kitchen trends and hopefully it will inspire you to place emphasis into your next kitchen renovation. To start with, kitchen design has to be functional and practical, more so if you are a heavy user. The placement of the sink, stove and fridge are very crucial as it helps facilitate a smooth kitchen workflow. One way to have an open kitchen together with an enclosed heavy cooking area is to build two separate pockets of space side by side so that the heavy cooking area can be closed off when in use, and yet you get to showcase the beautiful open island dining concept. Let's take a look at the 5 most sought after kitchen design trends. Number 1. The contemporary kitchen. A contemporary kitchen is a dynamic changing term. These styles allow for more freedom and trend flexibility that is easily customizable for individual needs. This kitchen design is one of the most sought after style by most homeowners and is very sleek and minimalist. It can be the use of solid colors or a combination of color and wood grains. Laminates are one of the most popular choice as it provides easy maintenance and varying tones of color choices. Cabinet doors are usually frameless with geometric lines or angles. The use of glass frosted panels or inserts into the design coupled with metal components such as stainless steel, copper or chrome. Countertops and backsplash are usually quartz-based, laminate, compact, porcelain or even natural stones. Color schemes are usually limited to 1 to 2 colors to maintain a sleek appearance. This is one of the most popular kitchen design style preferred today. Number 2. The modern kitchen. Next comes the modern kitchen. Modern refers to the specific design movement that arose in the early 20th century, and it follows stricter guidelines as compared to contemporary. The modern kitchen style is pretty close to the contemporary ones, with added details. It has a simple cabinetry to enhance the sleek, clean lines of the spaces, teamed with modern appliances, uncluttered aesthetics, and a minimum ornamentation. There will usually be a featured pendant light above the island counter with spacious seating. The modern kitchen would sometimes apply simple door design as a design detail or flush doors with flat surface. Modern kitchen design usually evolves around a monochromatic color scheme and a place emphasis on accent like lighting, table, chairs and bar stool. Countertop materials such as compact, marble and metal are commonly used in the modern kitchen. Number 3. We have the industrial kitchen design. This design style is commonly used for commercial kitchens, such as restaurants or F&B outlets. It has a tough outlook with predominantly stainless steel finishing that gives an industrial and clinical feel. One of the most obvious traits of an industrial kitchen design is the open spaces, raw and natural finishes and exposed ceiling. This rugged look has become increasingly popular because of its airy nature. Typically, you will find brick walls, rustic furniture, exposed pipes, trunkings and beams in an industrial-style kitchen. With appliances often dressed in stainless steel, the rough texture blends perfectly with the smooth steel surfaces to form a harmony. Color schemes are pretty neutral, as the color palette derives from the material used in the kitchen setting, such as the red brick or concrete screed. Next comes the Scandinavian kitchen, a very highly sought after style in recent years as homeowners fuse the trendy all-white kitchen with the warmth of woods. A Scandinavian style kitchen typically involves layering on accents of warm wood in the form of cabinetry and flooring. paint colours in pale hues and a minimalist yet textured backsplash. Sleek stools and scale-back kitchenware complete this timeless design look on focusing on three core principles: simplicity, clean lines, and efficiency. This kitchen uses tons of natural textures from flooring to accessories, and it features wood tones flooring heavily. Minimalist yet one-dimensional, a predominantly all-white kitchen palette which makes the kitchen space appear brighter and lighter. Countertops are usually light wood tones such as compact, concrete, or quartz.
Is white a practical colour for kitchen?
White is a beautiful and elegant colour, but it tends to turn yellow over time, so it's very important to maintain it well. So clean your cabinet surfaces regularly and avoid harsh detergent that contains chlorine. Number 5. The luxurious glamour kitchen. As the name suggests, these kitchens are more for aesthetic purposes than practicality. Luxurious exotic stones such as marble, granite, and onyx take center stage in this kitchen, paired with luxurious carpentry cabinets from high-gloss PU finish to textured or super matte surfaces. Refined details and exquisite workmanship can be seen in every corner of this kitchen. Gold and polished metal brings out the luxe factor of this glamour kitchen when teamed with cutting-edge appliances and technology, making this dream kitchen for many.
So, how do you advise to modernize a dated kitchen?
Tear down and redo? Well, alternatively, you can change your countertop and backsplash material to something more current, like a marble grain compact top or a large format tiles, and declutter your countertop space. Haven't gone through the 5 most popular kitchen design styles? Have you decided which is more suitable for you? Leave us a comment below and let us know which is your favorite kitchen design style. We hope you have gathered some ideas on the type of kitchen that matches your lifestyle. You can always let your designer know if you want to combine 2 different styles into your kitchen design. Your designer will then be able to give you professional advice on how to customize and make it uniquely yours. Always bear in mind that functionality and practicality is the key essence when designing your kitchen. Open concept kitchen is nice, but if you cook on a regular basis, by all means avoid it. And invest on a heavy-duty kitchen hood if you do heavy cooking. Always have more storage planned and use good quality cabinetry hardware which can stand the test of frequent use and time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell to encourage us to produce more compelling content. Let us know what you would like to see next in line. This is Adrian Heng signing off from the Design Maven. See you guys real soon in the next episode.